Hello, this is Sneha in Travel with Sneha, and today I am going to take you to a cinematic journey in Ladakh. Yes, you heard it right. I am traveling to Ladakh this time, but it will not be a typical vlog like hello বন্ধুরা আমরা চলে এসেছি এই যে পেছনে পাহাড় দেখতে পাচ্ছি not like that. We are going to conduct a photography workshop and we are teaching our fellow aspiring photographers how to take astro shots, how to take landscape, how to post process them, and if you are interested you can also feel free to join in our future workshop. So without any further ado, let's jump into the cinematic experience of Ladakh. Yes, so finally we are in Ladakh. It was in one of my bucket list to visit Ladakh, and yes, here I am. So currently we are staying at Leh for 2 days for acclimatization before moving to higher altitude. And as you guys know that we are conducting a photography workshop here. So if you are interested to join our future classes, please feel free to check the link in the description down below. So Ladakh is specially known for its night sky. It's a kind of rain shadow region, so that's why we decided to conduct a photography workshop here. And the sky is looking pretty good for now, but we cannot say anything in terms of nature. So if the sky is clear, we are planning to shoot astro tonight. Let's see how the night sky looks like. We left at 3 o'clock to explore more. We are so excited and sleep deprived, yet we skipped our lunch just to get the vibe of the place in golden hour. Currently we are heading towards Sangam and we found a place here. This is so photogenic. এখানে landscape দেখে পাগলা হয়ে গেছি।
That is east. Sunrise this side होता है.
After all those aesthetic shots, it's finally time to get some food.
You guys are all non-veg?
Yeah.
I'm vegetarian, so don't worry. I'll take care of my own.
But you know what was more pleasing? The golden hour. When we reached Sangam by the evening, it was all dark, the clouds were coming through and it was making very difficult for us to shoot. And we didn't even get down below to the main viewpoint of Sangam. We were just by the side of the road and the trucks were coming, the buses were coming. Still, we managed to take a shot. So good morning from Leh. This is day 2 here. The weather seems pretty nice today and we literally got a good sleep yesterday. After 12 hours of layover in Delhi, we literally need good sleep. Currently, we are heading towards breakfast and we will be out again at around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, I guess.
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Yep.
1 o'clock to visit all the sightseeing points, the Stakna Monastery and the Leh Market. So yeah.
Leh Palace also.
Oh, Leh Palace also. So yeah, let's go. The Leh Market seems like a higher upgraded version of Darjeeling Mall or MG Marg Road. Crowd is pretty less because it's off season and it has lots of shops like cafes and restaurant and the gift shops and everything.
यहाँ देखो अच्छा ओके क्या खाना है? नहीं मछली ब्रेड टोस्ट हॉट चॉकलेट बटर टोस्ट ब्रेड टोस्ट कॉफी एप्रिकॉट जूस ओके वो देखते हैं राहुल जी के लिए कॉफी 6 बटर ब्रेड टोस्ट 1 hot chocolate 1 apricot juice and rest coffees
and 1 tea for
अच्छा
me.
tea for you यार I wish the weather stays like this
দেখে যেতে হবে মরে যাবো নইলে
তুই এতক্ষণ ওটা পরে আছিস কি করে মানুষ আমি জানি না ওখানে জ্যাকেট আবার ইজ আ প্যালেস ক্যাট
पहले ले पैलेस जा रहे हैं इसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे शांति स्तूपा फिर सीधा स्ताकना मोनास्ट्री
gigantic Leh Palace. It is about 9 stories high. The first floor is all about the history of the palace itself. Most of the rooms were closed. Only some parts are open for the tourists.
So this is Leh Palace. The view is splendid from here. But unfortunately we cannot shoot any video or photo. আমাকে শুধু ফোন দিয়ে আপাতত ভিডিও করতে হচ্ছে। But seriously the view is awesome. कितना है टिकट 30 रुपये 9 3 कत 70 थैंक यू
I was talking about the view about Leh Palace, but I was wrong. The view of Shanti Stupa is much better than Leh Palace, I would say. কোথায় যাচ্ছি এবার আমরা?
Stakna Monastery.
Leh vlog ends here for now. We'll indulge with a view of Pangong Lake and whatnot in the next episode releasing next weekend. So stay tuned and till then subscribe. Bye bye.
We're just packing up. We got some awesome shots over here. With the we got some star trails on that side with the monastery, and the Milky Way is shining bright up there.
ও না 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 আমি আদর করব না বাবা না আমার ট্রাইপড নাড়ি দিও না ওখানে কি চুপ করে বসে ওই যে ওই ভলুর কাছে যাও মিনিসো ওই যে মিনিসো দেয়ার ইজ মিনিসো হ্যাঁ যাও এই তো
কেন ওয়ে
একটু ড্রাই হাম দিয়ে দাও তো।
Butter toast, bread toast, coffee.
Bread toast, coffee. Didn't you give the order?
শাট আপ না।
নে
এই একটু চুপ থাকতে হবে, অন্যদিকে কর, আমি আমার ভয়েসে চলে আসবে নাহলে।
ক্যামেরা শুটিং ক্যামেরা নাইস
শুরু হয়েছে? and hello check recording.
হ্যালো
টাকা